Hi everyone, Emily Allison here on Emily Everything. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you a Kundalini Yoga exercise meditation called Meditation for Prosperity 1. Now there is also another exercise called Meditation for Prosperity 2, which I will post in another video. So if you would like to like and subscribe to this channel and ring that little bell, you will be notified when that video becomes available as well. So let's get started and tune in before we start the meditation. So before every Kundalini Yoga practice, we tune in with a mantra that goes Ong Namo, Guru Dev Namo. We do that 3 times and then breathe naturally, relax, and we begin the exercise or meditation or series. So rub your hands together. Place them at the heart, drop your shoulders, inhale. And exhale. And follow along with me, inhale and begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Okay, now that we've tuned in, we can begin the exercise. Now, meditation for prosperity 1. First things first, sit in easy pose, which is sitting cross-legged like this. And perhaps you may have heard it in previous videos, but I'll repeat it again. This is with a light Jalandhar, which is a squeezing of the muscles of the anus, sex organs, and the navel. So if you want to just practice it, if you take your deep breath and squeeze, 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 squeeze. And release. So this takes a little bit of practice. This is something that's going to go on behind the scenes on the back burner as we're doing this exercise. So the eye position for this exercise is the eyes are closed and you're looking up at the brow point. So that's going to be your focal point while you're doing this meditation. But for the purpose of this video, there's also another adjustment that you can alternatively just have the eyes open and look down at the tip of your nose. So whichever you prefer is completely acceptable. The mudra or hand position for this exercise is the elbows at the sides with the forearms parallel to the ground. The hands are pointing forward and the palms are facing up. The wrists are straight. Touch the thumbs to the tips of your fingers and chant the mantra in a steady cadence. So now the mantra is the chant that you will be chanting along, and it's not about singing it and being in tune. Everyone has their own voice and their own tone, and that is the whole point, is to touch all the meridians with your tongue on the roof of your mouth. There's many meridians that connect all throughout your body, and when you chant the mantras, you're pressing all these pressure points in different meridians. So, interesting fact. And the mantra goes like this: Har Ha-Ray Ha-Ree, Whaa-Hay Gu-Roo. Har Ha-Ray Ha-Ree, Whaa-Hay Gu-Roo. So, and we're going to be repeating that over and over and over again. And it says here in the manual to do it for 11 to 31 minutes, but because we're beginners and we're going to do this together, we'll do it for 3 minutes, and I will keep time and we'll do it together. And then you can practice it on your own and set your own timer. Start with 3 minutes, go up to 5, 7, 9, 11. Eventually you can do it for half an hour, and we shall see how prosperous we become. Okay, so I will read the comments after we're finished. So let's get ready, get into your comfortable, easy pose. Remember that light Jalandhar band throughout the whole thing. And index and thumb fingers, index fingers and thumbs touching. The wrists are straight, elbows are parallel. Take a deep breath. And focus on the brow point with your eyes closed or on the tip of your nose, looking straight down. And here we go. Let's inhale and begin. Har Ha-Ray Ha-Ree. Whaa-Hay Gu-Roo. 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 Inhale. And exhale. Drop your shoulders, release your hands, and just sit for a moment with yourself. Continue breathing naturally. Just feel what you're experiencing. Just take a moment. And as you're taking your moment, I'll read you the comments. This meditation provides guidance and the way through any block. The future is clear without anxiety. Every cause has an impact and an orbit of effect. This meditation allows you to use the neutral mind to intuit all the expected and unexpected impacts of the mental thoughts you feel now, or that were a part of you in the past. If this part of you is unbalanced, people will distance themselves socially out of some subconscious fear of your perception, bluntness, and truth. When balanced, you gain wisdom and self-guidance to hold in trust all that comes to you. You are never swayed by abundance and hold closely to the path. So, now you know how to do meditation for prosperity 1, and stay tuned for meditation for prosperity 2. That will be in the next video. So when we close any Kundalini Yoga exercise or session, we finish with a long Sat Nam. So rub your hands together. Place your hands at your heart. Inhale and follow along with me. Sat Nam. Sat Nam, and thank you for joining me today. Again, my name is Emily Allison, and this is Emily Everything, and we will see you in the next video. But before I go, let me just show you this wonderful Sat Nam shirt, and let me tell you what Sat Nam means. Sat Nam is the seed mantra and is the most widely used in the practice of Kundalini Yoga. Sat means the truth. It also means the reality of one's existence. Nam means to call upon, name, or identify with. Sat Nam means truth is my identity, and I call upon the eternal truth that resides in all of us. Chanting this mantra awakens the soul and more simply means really. It is pronounced to rhyme with but mom. So, if you would like one of these Sat Nam tank tops or any other yoga gear, I have my own little store that you can purchase them from, and I will put that in the link below. So thank you again for joining me today. I'm Emily Allison. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Emily Everything, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.